Looking to maximize your home gym without sacrificing space? The best folding workout bench gives you versatility, comfort, and durability while being easy to store. Whether lifting, doing core exercises, or stretching, these benches provide stability for effective training sessions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. FLYBIRD Folding Workout Bench. The FLYBIRD Folding Workout Bench is a high-quality option designed for anyone looking to build strength at home without compromising safety or durability. With more than 20 years of experience in creating fitness equipment, FLYBIRD has produced a bench that emphasizes both reliability and performance. Constructed with commercial-grade steel, this workout bench has undergone rigorous testing, ensuring it can withstand an impressive 800 pounds of weight capacity without deformation. Its sturdy design includes reinforced bolts and welds, delivering long-term stability for daily workouts. What sets this bench apart is its versatility. It offers 8 back positions and 3 seat adjustments, making it easy to perform a wide range of exercises targeting different muscle groups. The adjustment mechanism is user-friendly, allowing you to modify angles quickly with just one hand. Comfort is also well thought out, featuring durable padding that balances softness and support, while the non-slip leather surface ensures you stay in control during intense lifts. At 18.5 inches high, the bench provides excellent footing, keeping your body aligned and stable throughout each movement. Beyond strength and performance, storage convenience is a standout feature. This bench folds down to save 80% of its space, fitting neatly under a bed or against a wall when not in use. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned lifter, the FLYBIRD Folding Workout Bench is a reliable, compact, and practical addition to any home gym setup. Number 2. FLYBIRD 27 lbs Folding Workout Bench. The FLYBIRD 27 lbs Folding Workout Bench is an innovative piece of equipment tailored for both tall and average height users who need superior comfort and support during workouts. Unlike standard benches, it features an extended backrest, 33 to 35 inches, and an adjustable headrest that finally eliminates the issue of having your head hang uncomfortably during presses. With a 17.5-inch seat height, it provides excellent ergonomics and proper alignment for users up to 6'5", making it versatile for households with multiple users. Built with 27 pounds of thickened alloy steel and advanced precision welding, this bench has been tested for over 8,000 load cycles, boasting a strong 750 pounds weight capacity. The reinforced triangular frame and extended 18-inch legs provide up to 10 times more stability than traditional tubular leg designs, ensuring a solid base for heavy lifting. The dual rectangular support bars further enhance durability, giving users confidence during intense training sessions. Functionality is another strong point, offering 90 adjustable combinations with 8 backrest settings, 4 seat angles, and 3 leg positions, enabling flat, incline, or decline training with ease. The ladder-style locking system allows fast and secure position changes in seconds. Number 3. Keppi 900 lb Folding Workout Bench. The Keppi 900 lb Folding Workout Bench, also known as the Bench 500, combines heavy-duty performance with versatile functionality for comprehensive training at home. Keppi has over a decade of experience in fitness equipment manufacturing, and this bench demonstrates their commitment to quality, being certified by ASTM and EN 2957 standards. Built from commercial-grade steel in a triangular structure, it supports up to 900 pounds of weight capacity, offering serious stability for lifters of all levels. What makes this bench stand out is its extensive adjustability. It features 11 backrest positions, 4 seat positions, and 3 foot adjustments, giving users more than enough flexibility to tailor workouts for full-body training. Adjustments are made easily with the fast bolt system, which automatically locks safely into place. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for everything from chest presses and rows to ab workouts and leg training. Despite its robust construction, the bench is surprisingly easy to fold. With just 3 pins removed, it collapses into a compact form, taking up only 20% of its original space, making it ideal for small apartments or garages. The folded size of 37 inches by 24.8 inches by 11 inches allows for convenient storage under a bed or against a wall. Adding even more value. Number 4. KiNGKANG Folding Workout Bench. The KiNGKANG Folding Workout Bench is a practical and well-built option for those seeking strength and durability in their home workouts. Made with high-hardness commercial-quality steel, this bench features a unique frame and thick support tubing that can handle up to 600 pounds of weight capacity. Its strong build ensures a longer service life, giving users the confidence to train safely and effectively. The bench offers solid adjustability, with 7 backrest positions and 3 stopper adjustments, making it simple to switch between angles to target different muscle groups. Adjustments can be made in just seconds, streamlining your workout and maximizing efficiency. This versatility allows for effective chest presses, shoulder exercises, back training, ab workouts, and leg exercises. Comfort is also a standout feature of this bench. The cushioning is filled with high-density recycled sponge, which offers excellent rebound and maintains its shape even after long-term use. Covered in soft, durable leather, the cushion ensures reduced lumbar strain, enabling longer training sessions without unnecessary discomfort. The ergonomic design enhances overall exercise effectiveness, promoting proper body alignment. When it comes to storage, the KiNGKANG bench folds up neatly, allowing it to fit into a closet, corner, or under a bed without taking up much room. Its compact and accessible design makes it particularly suitable for users with limited space. In short, the KiNGKANG Folding Workout Bench balances strength, adjustability, and comfort, making it an ideal option for home gym enthusiasts who want reliable performance and easy storage. Number 5. Finer Folding Workout Bench. The Finer Folding Workout Bench is designed for versatility and practicality, making it a top choice for users who want maximum functionality in a compact design. Built from high-grade steel, it delivers an impressive 800 pounds weight capacity, ensuring durability and support during heavy training sessions. This bench can be adjusted into flat, incline, decline, or upright positions, making it suitable for dozens of exercises that target every major muscle group. Its multifunctional design makes it perfect for use with dumbbells or bodyweight workouts, allowing users to strengthen their core, chest, back, and legs with one piece of equipment. A major advantage of this bench is its convenience in both setup and storage. Assembly takes less than 5 minutes, and once folded, it fits neatly in tight spaces, such as under a bed or in a closet, making it especially useful for small apartments or home gyms with limited space. The compact folding capability ensures it is easy to move around or store when not in use. Comfort has not been overlooked either. The bench is cushioned with supportive padding that provides stability during workouts while minimizing fatigue, and its tear-resistant covering ensures it withstands years of regular use. Beyond its strong build and comfortable design, the Finer bench is backed by reliable customer service, further boosting confidence in its quality. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.